Good morning, everybody. This is just a quick screencast that's going to show you how to get into a Zoom with a passcode on it, just in case anybody's confused about it. So what you're looking at right now is an email. We set up a little test Zoom so that I could show you guys this. Okay. So I'm going to click this link here in just a second to activate the Zoom meeting. This is the same as if you were going to click the Zoom link that's in Schoology. Okay, so I'm going to click this link. And it's going to open another window, and it's going to say, create a little dialog box here. It says, do you want to open Zoom? And yes, I want to open Zoom. So open Zoom. It's going to throw this other dialog box up here. And this is where you enter the code, right? So the password for your Schoology code, your Schoology Zoom links is going to be AAPS12345. Okay? On this one, Mr. Ash made it 123. Okay, but yours normally will be AAPS12345. I only put in 123 this time because that's what this one is, but again, yours for Schoology are AAPS12345. So after we have that entered, we click join. And then you get to the host of the meeting will let you in soon. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.